Okay, so this is another one here, trying to wrap up this tutorial as much as possible. We're working on this part right here. So what we did prior is we did this part here, graphic display, which is that trash can of stuff. We're gonna do some of these use states right here that takes care of the CSS transitions and stuff. So let's go back up here. Okay, we're gonna do these right here. So there is one called model status. Okay, so let's set model status. Okay, make sure I don't really have that one yet. So then we got use state, and then we're gonna put removed at the moment, and then we have model status CSS. Okay, and then we want to set that model status CSS. Okay, gonna use state for that. And we're gonna put removed. I'm sorry, I need to fix this one. So the status is gonna actually be model not loaded yet. Okay, so model not loaded. And then we're gonna have another one with garbage status. And then we're gonna put set garbage status. Okay, use state. And this one is gonna be like not picked up yet. Let's see. So I put waiting for garbage truck. Okay, and then this one is gonna be garbage status CSS, and then I'm gonna set that garbage status CSS state. And then for this one I have garbage status trash. Okay, and this one's not liking this, so we'll take a look up because I already have one there, that's why. Okay, great. Let's just exit that out. We'll just cut that out, and it's right here. I'd actually probably put them together. Let's copy and paste that just so it's together. Okay, and then we can start picking up our room a little bit. Okay, all right. So let's see here. I think we should do the CSS for these. So let's take a look at those. Okay, so we're gonna do. We'll do this in between, like right in here, between the instructions and the prediction window. Just make some space right here, and it doesn't matter. You can put it at the end too, but trying to keep it somewhat organized here. Okay. So this one's gonna have like graphic display. This CSS stuff is gonna have like animation and stuff for that area of the app, because you know when the garbage can picks up and all that has it like kind of tilting over and stuff. So let's see here, flex direction, align items, center, and then we're gonna justify content center. Okay, and then so let's see here, the model status. So this is going to be like an animation that's going to happen. Let's see, this is going to be zoom in, zoom out, E and infinite. Keyframes, zoom in, zoom out. Comma right there. Okay, then at 100%. scale 1 to 1. Okay. Now we're gonna have a model. That was model status loading. Now we're gonna do model status loaded. Okay, and then do font size 8 pixels. Font weight bold. Good animation. This is fade in and out. Fade in and out. Let's do the WebKit. For the animation one, fade in and out. Okay, it's like this. It's the same thing. So let's just copy that, paste. Okay, then we got garbage status. Display, flex direction, column. Line items, center. And this one we're going to do the same thing as this. So let's copy and paste that one. Put it right here. Okay. We have an icon. The icon we're going to do it at 120 pixels. This is the trash can. Empty. Okay, so we have some animation on this one. So this is like when it's tilting. Okay, and then we can copy and paste these 2 times. This one's going to be for mods. And this one's going to be just for animation. Okay. Let's do those. Implement those. Spin. Rotate 70-degree. Okay, then I'm gonna copy and paste this one. So it's gonna be WebKit. And this one, another one, where keyframes. Okay, and then we gotta add transform. 70-degree. Okay, let's go back to our app here. So we added this one right here. A trash, just like a trash icon. Let's throw that in here. And right down here, I'm gonna add another use state here. Trash can CSS. Set trash can CSS. Use state. And then we're gonna set that to trash icon. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Okay, so we got some things here. Great. And and these are gonna actually change out depending on some conditionals. Okay, I'm gonna come right here to the HTML and just kind of get rid of some of these spaces. Clean that up. Hey y'all, so I actually just took a break, so I'm back right now. I only got like 5 more minutes on this video, and I think this is like video number 4. So yeah, sorry, I'm trying to just take it slow on this video series part for this app thing, and not rush it too much. But I was looking at this, and there's some things that are different on this. Like this is over here, and I started looking at the CSS, and there's also like this part right here, and I did find some things here, like on this one on my app. I had that at 390, and that kind of squared it off right there. And then I had the stop button to the left, and I was like, why is it doing that? And then I saw like in here in my app.js I had this styles. I don't know if you guys will have this, but in case, this was causing that to kind of move over to the center, so I just took that out. And then okay, so then this moved over. So then I had something else in here right below YouTube link. I had a top button container, and then I gave it 400 pixels, display, flex, justify content, space around, margin, bottom, 20 pixels. And then that took care of that part. So just to get that out. So basically from here, we got this, the UI pretty much going. It's not going in the center actually. So this was responsive. I have something right here, like this info part on the app. I might do that, might not, because I don't know if that really interests you, but it's mainly this part that I wanted to show. So let's see here. What I did is I did a body actually on this. Like I did body, display, flex, to get that thing in the center, the whole thing in the center. And usually you want to probably put this like in the app.js styles, like up in this kind of like, I would say like parent kind of component. So yeah, we could do that. That's actually where it's probably supposed to go, even if you're even supposed to do this kind of thing. But so that kind of puts everything in the center. So then like I was saying, since we got the CSS done, everything else is going to be starting to more focus on like these functional components. I'm sorry, like the functions and stuff like that, like switching out the CSS depending on if everything's loaded. Going to show some animations. So we're going to start working more up in this area instead of like the HTML and CSS and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to do that on the next video.